who wants to take the floor?
So let me put it this way. I'll make it easy for Gerlien. Gerlien is a...
I'll make it easy for
she's a fantastic talent in politics. And the truth is, every single party in Aruba would love to have her. And so obviously she knows that the doors of Accion are open to her. I hope that she ends up joining us so we don't have to be like, on a debate stage going against each other, because I'll totally attack her record. But I think she's at a position now that she has to decide, like, am I going to, lead my own party, or am I going to join an existing party? And if so, which one fits better? But definitely the doors are open.
Would you step down as a leader and let her be the leader?
So if she got more votes than me, right now I have more votes than her.
I'm just saying.
I've already told her this, by the way. I have more votes than her. So I had 2019 votes the last election. She had 1919, 100 less. So if she overtakes me in an election, I would totally give her leadership. And like, as a political leader, one of the commitments I made when I got into politics was to stay for 8 to 12 years, maximum, 2 to 3 terms. So my biggest concern right now is to have the next leader of Accion 21 joining us very, very soon. And I couldn't think of a better leader. I don't think I can give a better pitch. But anyway, again, going back, she's a great talent in politics. I'm glad she's in politics. I will stand by what I said at the beginning. Her courage and bravery of declaring herself independent definitely inspired me and said, okay, there are more of us really trying to make a change.